Hello everyone, we are here with a new lesson. In our last lesson, we completed the migration process and created our generic interface. Now there is the process of filling in this interface. We will do this with a generic class, so let's create a new class. Right click on repositories folder, add new class. Our class name is generic repository. Okay, add click. Our class will inherit from the relevant interface. Change to access modifier, internal to public, and we need t value inherit iGeneric.dal needs t value and where t inherit class. Okay, implement interface. We will implement the methods after our methods are ready. Okay, good. Now there is the process of filling them. Here we will apply dependency injection to reduce dependencies. We will not use new as much as possible. Let's create an object instance from our context class. What is our context name? Our context name is Foody context. Okay, private read only Foody context and underscore context. Okay, good. Now let's call this via the constructor method the name of this process dependency injection. Thanks to this process dependencies are reduced. You can find many articles on the web on this subject. How is create control dot end of the line, and we choose generate constructor. Okay, our constructor method is ready. Good. Now let's write the inside of our methods. We will use the set method a lot here. The set method will meet the incoming entity value. Set method can be about product category. Let's do the addition first. This is where is the addition? This is get, delete, get by ID, insert. This is addition method. In the addition process, the addition will be made according to the t type we sent to the set method. I would like to say it again. Type t will meet our entities. Let's write the add method for the addition operation. Underscore context dot set t and dot add what's parameter entity. Okay, this line is ready. Let's not forget to save the change after writing our method. Addition is altering underscore context dot save change. Our insert method is ready. Okay, good. Second, delete var value underscore context dot set t and find id. Okay, after context dot set t dot remove value. Good. Context dot save change. Okay, value may be null here, so there is a green line. And third update, context dot set t and update entity parameter and context save change. Okay, our three methods are ready. get all. Since our methods are not void, get all and get by id, so they must return a value. Firstly, get all return context dot set t dot to list. Okay, get all is ready, and finally return underscore context set t and dot find id. Good. Get by id methods are ready. Thus, our generic repository class is ready. That's enough. See you next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Have a good time.